Hi guys, and welcome in creating Angular application course, where we create Angular application for catering site. Today we're gonna create our layout for our page. So for our layout, we're gonna use Angular material, and this is how it's gonna look like. At the top, we're gonna have the menu with the navigation. At the bottom, we're gonna have the footer, and in the middle, we're gonna have a dynamic app content, which is gonna change depending on the routing. So let's open Angular material page, and in guides, let's click getting started. And here we have the script to add Angular material to our project. So we open new terminal, we paste the script, and it asks us which pre-built daemon we want to use. So we're gonna use the default Indigo Pink. We want to use the typography, and we want material to set up the browser animation for us. Okay, after the installation, we go back to the page, guides one more time, we choose the Angular material theming, and we want to import the pre-built theme in our style SCSS. So let's open the style SCSS, and at the top we're gonna import Indigo Pink style. Okay, now we can serve our application and open it in the browser to see if it works. I made a typo, so we have to correct it. It's in Indigo Pink. Now it's compiled successfully. So let's open browser. Okay, so we go back to the components, and we find the toolbar component. We go to the API, and we import the mat-toolbar in our app module. We add it in the import section at the top and in the imports inside of the ng module. After it is important, we can go back to the overview, and we can copy the usage from the examples, and we paste it in the app component HTML. So we can remove the inside of it, and let's create div with the class toolbar flex, and inside we will have 3 div sections. So, and in our app component SCSS, we add the toolbar flex, and we say it's gonna be display with the flex. So on the left side of our menu, we will have the home button. Here is gonna be empty space, and here we will have the menu. So this is how it looks like right now. Okay, let's say that this is gonna be display flex, and we want to align items in center, and we're gonna justify content with the space between. Okay, and what we're missing is we're gonna set the width to 100%. Okay, so now we have the home on the left and our menu on the right. So in fact, where is our menu? We want to have a list, and first gonna be diets. The second one gonna be the menu for the diets. The third one gonna be the order link, about page, and profile panel. Okay, and here we're gonna use the diets / menu / order / about and / profile. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Okay, let's add one more link to the home. Okay, and all the links will have color white, and with the text decoration none. Okay, and I will have no list, style none, only will float to the left. Okay, let's add some space between them. Okay, and let's remove the padding and margin from our list so it's centered. Okay, this is how our top navigation is gonna look like, and we're gonna do the same for the bottom navigation. So in fact we can copy the mat-toolbar and here we put the copyright. And here we will have about, contact, and privacy. Okay, and our two menus are concatenated together right now, but let's add class with toolbar bottom and toolbar bottom will have position absolute, bottom 0. Okay, so it's always on the bottom. And let's change the font size to 12. So it's gonna be a little bit smaller. Actually too small. Let's say 14. 14 is okay. So right here we have the space for our content, so let's put div, and it's gonna be app content over here. So you can see that the app content is on the left. So let's add global, let's add class container. And let's center the content of it. Okay, and let's add border. So you can see that and let's add margin. Okay, so here gonna be our content of the application. So we can remove the border right now. Okay, and we don't want to use the app content. We're gonna allow the content dynamically, depends on the router, so we add the router outlet. And that's it for our basic layout.